Nobody knew. Every morning, while the city was still asleep, while lights were off and phones were silent, he was already awake. 5 a.m. No applause. No audience. No one cheering for him. Just silence. He didn't wake up early because it felt good. He woke up early because his life was falling apart, and he knew discipline had to come before comfort. At 5 a.m., the world wasn't demanding anything from him. No expectations, no distractions, only a choice: to stay in bed or to stand up and rebuild what no one else could see. So he stood up. Every morning, he did the same quiet things. He prayed, not for success, but for strength. He reflected, not on the past, but on what needed to change. He worked, not loudly, but consistently. Nobody noticed his progress, because real growth is invisible at first. While others waited for motivation, he trained discipline. While others looked for shortcuts, he chose obedience to small, hard habits. Some mornings were heavy. Some mornings felt pointless. But he kept going, not because he felt strong, but because he refused to quit. Days passed, then weeks, then months. Slowly, his life began to change quietly. His mind became clearer. His habits became stronger. His character became steady. Still, nobody noticed, and that was the point. He wasn't rebuilding his life for applause. He was rebuilding it because self-control is built in private and revealed in public. One day, people started asking questions. How did you become so disciplined? How did your life change so much? They didn't see the early mornings. They didn't see the silent prayers. They didn't see the lonely consistency. They only saw the results. And that's how it always works. What you build in silence determines who you become in the open. If you're waking up early, if you're choosing discipline over comfort, if you're rebuilding your life quietly, keep going. Because even if nobody knows now, it still counts.